friends, it's Diana Larson from dianamlarson.blogspot.com, and I'm here to show you another card, and that is this. It's from the Artfully Sent cricut cartridge that you can only get this through Close to My Heart. So, and I am a consultant, so this one is on page 13. Super easy, super cute. I'm going to cut this. Well, I have already cut it, and I've cut it in this green, really pretty green chevron paper from, I got this stack at Michael's, and it has a few different colors, and then I cut this image here with the shift, this one with the shift, and that would be the second row, third column. So it's 2 down and 3 over, and that's basically it. And these are the pieces, and the card is super quick and easy. I'm actually going to use the score tool for this because I don't want to mess that up. It's such a fine little line here. And you can either do, well, this one's not quite, this isn't a pop-up card or the swing card, and so it measures about 4 1/4, but it's still, you're going to need the 7-inch envelope for this. So I think I want to make sure I have this lined up here with this. Okay, yeah. There we go. Isn't that super cute? Little bird house, bird cage. And I'm going to use the ATG tape. Put that there in case you want to look at that while I'm taping. Actually, you might want to look at that. Super fun cartridge. Not only do you get this cartridge, you get 3 stamp sets and 24 sheets of 12 by 12 white daisy cardstock, and the stamp sets are worth $60, and the white daisy cardstock's another, well, the value is $60 there, so that brings the cost of the cartridge down. Anyway, that is it. Fun, cute card. Don't you love it? There we go. And you know, you could use this as a birthday, or in fact, I might just, well, I've got you here because it's such a short, quick card. I'm just going to stamp a sentiment on this. And I know I have this space here. And I have, this one came with the Art Philosophy collection, so this is similar to what you would be getting with the Artiste collection, only there, one is an alphabet, one is sentiments, and the other is like ornate frames and such. So I'm just going to do, well, I know I have that much space in there, so I'm just gonna, I could do celebrate, but I think I'm gonna do happy birthday because I'm constantly having birthdays come up. I always breathe on it a little. Okay, so I know my sentiment's gonna go, well, I know that I have space from here to here, so I'm just going to put my sentiment right There. And there you go. You don't see it until you open it. Isn't that the cutest card ever? Love it. That quick and super quick and super easy. Bye. Have a great day. And if you do decide you want to order this, please consider close to my heart. And you can order it. There you go. You can order it from there. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.